Libraries is a powerful new feature designed specifically for larger teams. Libraries allow you to save and reuse pages, sections, and components across all your projects. It's your team's single source of truth for design, ensuring consistency and dramatically speeding up production. Libraries also support bulk changes. Need to update your logo or change a call to action button across dozens or even hundreds of pages? Simply update the component in your library and push the updates to your team or account. This is centralized control and brand consistency simplified. You can turn any regular Dev project into a library. Simply design your core assets, your brand headers, footers, call to action blocks, and even entire page templates. Once your assets are ready, you can push them to a new library. You have full control over who has access, whether it's a specific team or your entire organization. This is your company's central hub for all creative assets. When a user starts a new project, they can instantly access the shared library from the Add menu. No need to hunt for the right file or rebuilding components from scratch. With just a few clicks, they can pull in perfectly designed and approved web components. This not only saves time, but also guarantees that every new piece of content is perfectly on brand. This allows content editors to build out full web experiences from concept to a live site at lightning speed. Dev's AI features takes libraries to the next level. Simply describe what you want to create, and the Dev AI tool will instantly build a new project for you, using components and styles from your designated library. This allows your teams to build out new, on-brand web experiences faster than ever.